Hey everybody, here with a quick video. I had somebody ask me how to use the RCBS automatic priming tool. I already have it out of the box, and the way I have it mounted is on my reloading bench here. I have a C-clamp. As you can see here, it's clamped down, it's whatever. So I'm actually doing 9mm, and I already have my small priming tube, and I've been using this a lot. It's like my favorite. So use the shell holder for the 9mm, the small primer, whatever you call this thing, and then I have my brass. So all I do is take my primers, throw them on the bottom tray that's got all the ripples in it, shake it around real quick, get them all turned over the same way. The smooth side of the tray, put them there, turn it over. And then, I'm not gonna sit here and pick up all of them, but you just get the hint of maybe pick up something like this. And if you feel it actually get really hard to pick one up, you probably stop because you probably got something jammed in there or burnt or something. People have had primer tubes, the primers go off in there because they're forcing them too hard. So if it comes to the point where it feels really hard. All right, so I got some in here. But make sure before you go to turn this over, I always do it well before then, that this pin is in the back, because if you have primers in it, you go to flip it over and this pin ain't in there, they'll come out the back. So then real quick, I just take this, stick it on there, pull this out, they fall down. And what keeps them from falling out is there's like a little bitty button right here, and it's got a spring behind it. And the way you put a primer into the cup is you push the handle all the way down, and then you let go. As you can see, there's a primer in the cup. Then you lift the handle all the way up, you take your brass, slide it in there, you push it down, and there you go, and you push it up. Then you lift the handle all the way down. So there's another one, there's one. And I like this because I can actually fly through them pretty quick. It takes about 3.5 minutes to do the Prime 100. I put this piece of wood here because, as you can see, the end of this handle is kind of narrow. You know, it's got the little piece of rubber on it that still digs into the palm of my hand right here. So what I did is I just put this on there, and it's very comfortable. I can sit here and go all day doing this. So in the gist of it, that's pretty much how I'll do it, and you know, they're primed. So that's a quick video on how to use this. Sometimes you do have to take it apart and wipe this down, clean it. You have to take the priming rod out, or whatever you call it, the shell holder, clean it out, and even clean down in here sometimes in the hole. I just take Q-tips and run them in and out of it a little bit. But other than that, that's pretty much, that's how you use this. It's real quick and simple. Like I said, it's so simple. Now here's another real quick. I'll do 5 more real quick. So this is all the way back. And I actually put some foam tape here because it was too bouncy. So here we go again. So you push the handle all the way down. The cup pushes on the little button. It drops a primer into the primer cup right there. You pull the handle all the way up. Put your piece of brass in it. And then you come out, and there you go. You don't really have to force it because of the leverage and everything. If you have to force it, you're probably doing something wrong or something's up. So other than that, that's a quick video. You know, leave your comments and everything below, and have a great day. Stay safe, America.